How we doing, everybody? Dustin Brevet back at you, Senior Product Manager here at Laticrete International. Going to walk you through a few new additions to our MViz lineup. So what I have here is a lab batch and a testing batch of our new MViz WCI. So what does that stand for? That's a bulk water crack isolation membrane. It's a ready-to-apply liquid membrane that's going to be used in accordance with our air and water barrier. So the beauty of this is it's to allow for extra peace of mind within a given direct adhere masonry veneer installation, in that the air and water barrier will provide the waterproofing, and then this new crack isolation membrane will provide the, obviously, crack isolation protection up to 1/8 of an inch for both existing cracks expanding and new cracks forming. This will launch in February. It'll come in a 5-gallon pail, and we're very excited about this technology. Please check back to laticrete.com and also our various social media feeds for further updates. Thanks.